Good day, everyone. We are the Group 3 reporter for this week. The topic that we have is perform calculation on data. Perform calculation on data is one of the most powerful features in Excel. It's the ability to calculate numerical information using formula. Just like calculator, Excel can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Mathematical operators. Excel's use standard operators for formula. A plus sign like this, a plus sign is addition, and the minus sign for subtraction, and the asterisk for multiplication, and also for forward slash for division. Like this, baliktad na po. And also current for exponent. Exponent. All formulas in cells must begin with an equal sign. Equal sign. Equal sign. This because the cells contains or in equals to the formula and the values is calculated. Ah, dito kasi lagi talaga before magka-calculate ka ng formula is always nauuna yung equal sign sa cell. Hindi pwedeng mauuna yung mga cell, yung mga figures ng sa Excels sa pag magka-calculate ka. Hindi pwedeng mauna yung mga figures ng cell sa equals. Lagi mauuna yung equal sign before the other exponent. Uh, for example na lang is this equation. C2 plus C3. Di ba nauna yung equal? It is example for addition. Uh, you can find the sum of the number in C2 and C3 using this formula. Pag sa Excel ka, kung nasa Excel ka, makikita mo doon na before ka you need munang ilagay yung equal sign, tapos lagay ka ng C2 plus ay sign plus cross sign, tapos C3. Doon makikita mo yung equal, yung tamang result ng ng formula mo para makuha yung tamang sagot doon sa equation.
Understanding cell references. While you can create simple formulas in Excel using numbers, for example, equals 2 plus 2 or equals 5 times 5, most of the time you will use cell addresses to create a formula. This is known as making a cell reference. Using cell references will ensure that your formulas are always accurate because you can change the value of reference cells without having to rewrite the formula. In this formula, cell A3 adds the values of cells A1 and A2 by making cell references. When you press enter, the formula calculates and displays the answer in cell A3. If the values in the reference cells change, the formula automatically recalculates. By combining a mathematical operator with cell references, you can create a variety of simple formulas in Excel. Formulas can also include a combination of cell references and numbers, as in the examples below. Equals A1 plus A2, it is add cells A1 and A2. in equals C4 minus 3, it subtracts 3 from cell C4. Equals E7 over J4, it divides cells E7 by J4. Equals N10 times 1.05, it multiplies cell N10 by 1.05. In example, in number 5, it finds the square of cell R5.
So this is the demo on creating basic formulas on Microsoft Excel. So we have here a sample spreadsheet. So paglalaro natin yung values na nandito for the sake ng demo dito sa presentation. So first, in creating a formula on Microsoft Excel, we must first select a cell. For example, G12, cell G12. And sa paggawa ng formulas here on Excel, huwag nga kalimutan na yung equal sign. So first, lalagyan tayo ng equal sign dito sa active cell natin, which is digit G12. You can either type it here on the active cell or dito sa formula bar. So gagawin natin dito mismo sa cell. So kunwari, gusto nating i-add itong value na nasa G2. Type natin G2. Tapos yung mathematical operator for addition, which is with plus sign. Tapos gusto natin i-add itong G2 dito sa H2. So type natin H2 and then press enter. Yan. Yan yung sum ng G2 and H2. Kita natin dito sa formula bar is yung cell, pangalan ng cell na ginamit natin sa operation. Na-discuss na earlier yung mga mathematical operators, which is yung addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, tsaka yung sa exponents. Let's try the other operations naman. Gawin natin dito, equal sign. Ang gawin naman natin is yung G3, isusubtract natin sa value na nasa H3. Yung H3. Then enter. Negative 300 kasi mababa yung value ng nasa G3. Next naman is multiply naman natin yung yung nasa G4. So multiplication is asterisk. And then sa value na nasa H4, press enter. That's your answer. And the last operation is yung the division. Gawin natin is G5 and H5. Is the quotient ng G5 and H5. So, since tapos na natin ma-demo yung basic na paggawa ng formulas on Microsoft Excel, pwede natin i-upgrade ng konti ginagawa natin dito. So, kunwari, kaya natin mag-upgrade from basics to more complicated formula. Kunwari, so, nandito sa situation na kailangan mong i-add yung values from F2 hanggang F10. Gusto mo madali lang yung gusto mo mapadali yung buhay mo. Okay. So, ito yung trick. So, of course, yung equal sign natin, hindi mawawala. And then yung sum. Open and close parenthesis. Nalagay mo yung F2. And yung gagamitin natin is yung colon in between the cells. Gagamitin natin. So, ang gagamitin nating cells is from F2 to F10. So, lalagyan natin F10 and then close parenthesis, enter. So, basically, ang nangyari dito is in-add niya to from F2 to F10. I mean, hindi mo na kailangang i-type yung F2, F3, F4, and so on hanggang F10 para lang ano, para ma-achieve agad. If ever naman na masyadong malaki yung naging result ng operation and hindi kasya sa loob ng cell, for example, i-multiply natin yung laman ng H8 sa value na nasa H12. Press enter. Yung series ng 3 pound yung nakalagay. Ang kailangan lang gawin is yung adjust yung width ng column. And just double click here dito. Yan. Lumabas na yung value. Kapag nilitan mo naman to, babalik siya 3 pound. Kailangan lang natin i-adjust para makita yung value ng cell.
Good day, sir. I'm Mercy J. Erhenke, and my topic is modifying values with cell references. The true advantage of cell reference is that they allow you to update data in your worksheet without having to rewrite formulas. On modifying values, it was automatically calculated. So, hindi na natin kailangan maglagay ng formula para makuha or makalculate ang total. Sa pamamagitan nito, mapapabilis natin ang pagkakalculate ng hindi nagmamanual. To create a formula using the point-and-click method. Instead of typing cell addresses manually, you can point and click the cell you want to include on your formula. This method can save a lot of time and effort when creating formulas.
So this is the demo for creating a formula using the point and click method. So earlier na-discuss na natin, na-demo na natin yung how to create a formula on Microsoft Excel using the formula bar and the cell, the active cell. So ngayon is point and click naman. So ang gawin natin, we're going to add the unit price and the total price here using the point and click method. So una is equal sign. Una yan. And then you would click here sa cell G2. Ano siya, lumabas na yung G2 dito sa cell, sa active cell natin. Ang gawin natin, dadagdag naman natin yung mathematical operator which is the plus sign and then the H2. And then press enter. And add na yung dalawang value. Ulitin natin dito sa mga natitira pang mga cell. G2, G3 plus H3. Oh, sorry. G4 plus H4. G5 plus H5. G6 plus H6 G7 plus H7 G8 plus H8 G9 plus H9 and G10 plus H10. So, ganyan lang. Kahit kung ibang operation naman yung gusto nyo, pwede nyo baguhin dito sa formula bar. Kunyari, multiply nyo, gusto nyo multiply. Bigay nyo asterisk. Then, so on. Pareho lang yung gagawin nyo. So, basically, kailangan nyo lang gawin is maglagay ng equal sign. And then, select yung cell na gusto nyo gamitin. And yung tulad nung basic na paggawa ng formula, yung mathematical operator, tapos yung second cell reference, and then press enter. Yep, that's how you use the point and click method in creating a formula on Microsoft Excel.
Copying formulas with the fill handle. Formulas can also be copied to adjacent cells with the fill handle, which can save a lot of time and effort if you need to perform the same calculation multiple times in a worksheet. The fill handle is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cells. First step, select the cell containing the formula you want to copy. Click and drag the fill handle over the cells you want to fill. After you release the mouse, the formula will be copied the selected cells. Sabi sa first step, select the cell containing the formula you want to copy. Click and drag the fill handle over the cells you want to fill. After you release the mouse, the formula will be copied the selected cells. Done.
Editing a formula. So sometimes users may want to modify an existing formula due to errors. So dito nga, for example, dito sa dalawang to, dito sa operation na to. So, mali yung cell reference. So, walang laman yung G12 dito. Ito yung G12. So, kailangan natin ayusin. So, you can either fix this dito sa formula bar mismo, or you can double click dito sa cell na gagamitin natin. So, double click natin. So, by doing so, makita natin yung mga reference cell dito, which is G12 and G14 na ginagamit sa operation. So, i-edit natin. Ayusin natin to. Gawin natin G13. Yan. So, okay na to. You can just press enter, or you can check this and click this check button here dito sa formula bar. Yan. Na-adjust na yung naayos na natin yung maling formula. Pero kung nagbago naman yung isip mo and kung nagbago yung isip mo and hindi mo nakagustong baguhin or i-correct yung maling formula, you can just click this X mark on the formula bar or press escape on your keyboard. Then yun na yun. And if kung gusto mo namang makita yung lahat ng formula sa spreadsheet, you can click or you can press control, yeah, I don't know hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, pero I have my spare keyboard here. So, pipindutin nyo is yung nasa baba nung skip control and ito, yung nasa baba ng skip para makita nyo yung mga formula sa spreadsheet nyo. And para ibalik naman, pindutin nyo lang ulit yun. And yun na. Balik na sa normal.